Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vivint Home Security Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Before you start setting up your Vivint Home Security system, make sure you have your equipment ready. Begin by unboxing all the components of your Vivint system. Ensure you have the control panel, door sensors, window sensors, motion detectors, and any cameras. Locate the user manual that came with your system. This will be a helpful reference during the installation process. Find an optimal location for the control panel. It's best to place it near your main entrance for easy access. Next, mount the control panel on the wall using the provided bracket. Make sure it is securely attached and within reach of a power outlet. Once the panel is mounted, plug it in and turn it on. The screen should light up, indicating that the system is ready for setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the control panel to your Wi-Fi network. You will need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials for this step. After connecting, you may be prompted to run a system update. Allow the update to complete to ensure optimal performance. Now, let's start installing the door and window sensors. Choose a door or window you want to secure first. Peel off the adhesive backing from the sensor and the magnet. Attach the sensor to the door or window frame, ensuring it aligns with the magnet when closed. Repeat this process for all the entry points you want to secure. Next, install the motion detectors in rooms where you'd like added security. Place the motion detectors in a corner of the room, at least 5 to 7 feet off the ground. Make sure they are pointed toward entryways or high traffic areas. Once all sensors and detectors are installed, return to the control panel. Open the device setup menu to add the new sensors. Follow the prompts to ensure each sensor is recognized by the system. Test each sensor by opening doors and windows, or moving in front of motion detectors. If everything is working correctly, you should receive a notification on the control panel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.